So hey everyone, this is Akshay and welcome back to Tech Binder. So here we are having two cool products from a company known as Boompods. So we are having this SP Go, Sports Go Bluetooth earbuds and also this wireless earphone. So we are going to do the unboxing and review of these two and we'll let you know how good these are. So without any further ado, let's get started in this video. So here we are having the boxes for these two. Okay, so the Boompods Retrobuds, which are black in color, and also the Sports Go, which are also black in color. So let's unbox these and let's figure it out how good these are going to be. Let's start with the Boompods Retrobuds. Okay, very nice packing, you can find it here. So it also has an adjustable lock loop so that it can be easily adjusted to your ears, and this is really looking great. The price is somewhere at around 2500 rupees and you can find the contents here. So here we are having this loop lock and a user manual guide. I would highly recommend you to read this user manual guide before using this product. Some extra pair of ear tips to fit perfectly in your ear canal, and also these Retrobuds. Apart from that, there is a micro USB cable for charging. Here it is. So you can pretty much use this cable for charging, and the wire length is pretty great and you can easily use it with your phone charger or with your laptop. Ensure that it doesn't exceed more than 1 ampere when you are charging by using any of these. Okay, so here they come finally. Keeping this aside, let's try to pair these up and set it up with our mobile phone. The pairing process is really very simple. Just turn the Bluetooth onto your phone and press and hold this multifunction button for almost 3 seconds, and you will also get a voice prompt that these are powered on. So here you will find a very dull LED indicator in the multifunction button itself. Okay, so nice place to implement LED indicator. All I want is to be a little bit brighter so that it should be visible even in daylight. Okay, so now it's now flashing red and white, which means they are ready to pair. And let me scan to my phone to see that we are having any device. Okay, so here it comes, Retrobuds, and these are almost paired. They are done, and these are having right now almost 40% battery. Okay, let's fire our music app and let's play some of the songs and let's do the button test. And when we talk about the play and pause functionality, it works really great and there is no delay I can see. At least there is no visual delay. It will be there in milliseconds but not in seconds at least. Okay, if you want to go to the previous track, press down the volume button one and you are in the previous track. For going to the next track, just press the volume up button and boom, it's done. If you want to increase the volume, press and hold the volume up button and it will be increased linearly. If you want to decrease the volume, same you need to do, but this time with volume down button. Okay, so there are some cool functionality, like if you double tap the multifunction button, it will automatically redial the last dial number. So that functionality is really great and really helpful, at least for me. Also, if you press the volume down button twice, you will find that you can prompt your voice assistant. If you double tap the volume up button, it will again prompt the voice assistant and it will speak the battery percentage of these Retrobuds. These Retrobuds are passed in a button test. So here we are having SportPods from Boompods itself. And when we talk about this functionality, this one is having Bluetooth version 4.0. This is also having 4 hours of playback time. You can use this for taking calls, and also this is having full music control. So you can control the media definitely by using this Boompod. Taking out of the box, you will find here nice over the ear type of earbuds and also the mic control. So this is having a single key. It looks like a single key, but this is not a single key. So here we are having volume up and volume down key also, as well as with the multifunction button. Okay, it looks very neat and tight. And also here we are having micro USB for charging. Let's see what we are having inside the box. So here we are having very small user manual guide, and I would highly recommend you to read this before using these earbuds. Also some extra pair of ear tips so that you can adjust it according to ears. A micro USB cable for charging, and at the last, Sports Go earbuds. Okay, build quality looks pretty good, and also these are having tangle free cable, so that part is also great. Okay, Now let's start the pairing process. So the pairing process is pretty easy on these earphones. Also press and hold the multifunction button for almost 3 to 4 seconds. These are also having an inbuilt LED inside the multifunction button which glows red and blue. That means these are ready to pair. Go and scan the Bluetooth device onto your phone, and these are having the Bluetooth version 4.1, so which is not the latest and greatest, and right now they are having 60% of battery use. Okay, time to play some of the music. When you talk about the play and pause functionality, it works really great and without any visual lag. I can say that definitely that part is really great. Okay, so now if you want to go to the next track, just single tap the upper part and boom, you are in the next track. If you want to go to the previous track, just single tap, and the functionality really works great and it's pretty easy to switch the tracks. Let me show you here. Wow, so that part is really great on these earbuds. These are quite responsive even though these are having the Bluetooth version 4.1, so it doesn't affect the functionality which Bluetooth version you are using. It will work great. So let's do it again. Boom, next track, previous track. Wow, that's really great. If you want to increase the volume, press and hold the volume up, which is like upper part, and you can increase the volume. If you want to decrease the volume, press and hold the volume down and you can decrease the volume linearly. Okay, there's also one more functionality which I really love. This is redialing the last dial number. Double tap the multifunction button and you can like redial the last dial number, which is really great. If you want to like call your voice assistant, double tap the volume down button. How's the weather? Now the net is a little bit slow, so it is taking a little bit more time to process it, but it works great. Okay, it is like I am 1 foot away from these earphones and still they picked up my voice. Also these are having the voice prompt. Just double tap the volume up button and you will find that the voice prompt will tell you the battery percentage. Yeah, so it says that the battery medium, not exactly the percentage, so it will give you like a rough idea about how much amount of battery is remaining. So medium can be somewhere around from 40 to 60. Okay, so these earphones have also passed in our button test. Okay, now let's talk about the sound quality and fitting of these Retrobuds. So the fitting is really great. So it is having this adjustable loop on, so you can adjust it according to the size of your ear canal and fits great. Also this is having this clip on which is magnetic, so that it can be easily clipped on your shirt or t-shirt, and you can control your media just by a single tap. So that part is really great and you will really enjoy it while using these earbuds, and they have almost around 4 to 5 hours of battery life. It depends upon what music you're listening and at what percentage. Also I love that they are having this foldable design, so now you can easily put your earphone. So I really love this innovation on these Boompods. Well, it's very easy to carry in this form factor. You can just like put it there and attach the magnetic clipping and you can carry easily. So that part works great. These are having Bluetooth version 4.2, which is not latest and greatest as of Bluetooth 5, but works great and also have very good indoor as well as outdoor range. Now when we talk about the sound quality, the vocals are clear and crisp, and also I love the treble on these earbuds. So when we talk about the bass, these are having the bass, but that is not very deep bass. So if you love deep bass, then this will disappoint you a little bit. Also when we talk about the build quality is really rock solid. So these are having the braided cable all over the wires, so the build quality is really great, and also these are having IPX4 stud resistant. So if you want to use them in gym or jogging, definitely you can use it without worrying about the set. Also these are having 1 year of warranty and these are priced somewhere around 2,500 rupees. So now let's discuss more about this Sports Go, and this is also having triple button control setup as you have seen in the Retrobuds, and both of them works great. This is also having the Bluetooth version 4.1, which is not the latest and greatest, but works great even in indoor as well as outdoor, and there is no delay while I am trying to change the media track or I am doing the play and pause. That part is really great, and also these are over the ear, so it fit well inside your ear, and this would be a great companion if you want to use it for gym or exercise. Well, Retrobuds can also be used, but I found that this fitting is really great and secured, and also there will be no weight on your ears. Well, you can use this and you can use the media control from here. These are also having an water resistant ratings, so if you want you can definitely use them during workout and they will not be damaged by the sweat. Also the build quality is great, and these are priced somewhere at around
2000 rupees. The sound signature on these earbuds is almost similar to the Retrobuds. So these are having great vocals and treble, but not the bass. So if you're looking for deep bass, both of them will gonna disappoint you. If you prefer the natural profile or the flat profile, and definitely these are worth for your money. So the best buy link for both of these will be in the description. You can go and purchase it from there. So thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the video, and if you're not subscribed my channel till yet, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button now, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest video notification. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching, and catch you in the next video.